Welcome to our algebra class. Today we are going to teach. I'm going to teach the discriminant. Okay, find the discriminant. We have one problem here. Before to solve our problem, let me remember some ideas, important ideas for our class. The first one, the discriminant. The discriminant of a quadratic equation like ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, so this way is b squared minus 4ac. All right, it is the expression under the radical in the quadratic formula. So this is the quadratic formula. We have x equals minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac 2a. So this formula is coming from the quadratic formula. All right. So now let's solve our problem. Okay. This is the main thing that you needed to understand before to solve a problem. Okay, let me show you how find the answer for this problem. The first thing, just write the formula. Remember the formula that I give it to you. The formula, it is b squared minus 4ac. All right. So this is going to be equals. Here substitute. Just we have b squared negative b to the second power. All right, minus 4, how much I say? A is 4, what else? Times C, how much is C? Times A. All right, that's it. So here, plug it in, A equals 4, B equals negative 1, and C equals 8. All right, it is. So now next step, multiply here. So multiply. You multiply. We are going to have here 1 minus 4 times 8, 32 times negative 4 is 128. All right. So now subtract here. You subtract, you're going to have negative 127. So what is the answer? So the answer is 100. This is the answer, all right? Here, very simple, very easy. It's not hard, right? Let me show you another case. Let's write another problem. 2 problems. So second problem. Let's write, find the discriminant of, let's write 2y to the second power, or right, minus 5y plus 9 equals 0. Right? First step, you write the formula that we use for the discriminant for AC. I explain it to you. So now this is equals, just plug in A. How much is A? A is equals 2. B, how much is B? Negative 5. And C, this is C is equals 9. All right, just plug it in here. So we are going to have equals here. First, negative 5 to the second power minus 4 times A, how much is A? 2. Times how much is C? 9. Right? So now multiply. Multiply here. So you multiply, the answer, it is here, negative 5 times negative 5 is 25. Minus 2 times 9 is 18 times 4, it is 72, right? 72. Now subtract. You subtract here, the answer is going to be negative 47. See, this is our answer. This is the discriminant, okay? Find the discriminant. So the discriminant is equal 9. See, that's it. So thank you so much for being on algebra class. Thank you. See you next time.